Hello, we are going to see the topic trajectory of electron in magnetic field B. That is, this topic is related with path of electron in magnetic field B. Let here in the diagram an electron -1 E0 traveling with velocity u in the direction of x-axis. Here this area represents the uniform magnetic field B, and the direction of magnetic field is here represented downward. This electron enter in a magnetic field. Due to this entrance, magnetic field is along, suppose, y-axis, enter in the direction of x-axis, this electron. Then it experiences a magnetic force. This magnetic force is also known as Lorentz force, and it is given by formula EVB, represented by equation number 1. EVB sin theta is a formula, well known formula we know. It is entering perpendicular to the field. See here in the diagram, B is perpendicular to the field. That is why sin 90 is 1 here, right? Since magnetic force is a vector quantity, so its direction is obtained by Fleming left hand rule, in which this Fleming left hand rule speaks when we stretch our thumb, forefinger and middle finger in such a way, this stretch mutually perpendicular in such a way, forefinger points magnetic field, middle finger direction of motion of this electron, then thumb points the direction of magnetic force F, which is given by this here, this forefinger in the direction of magnetic field B, middle finger in the direction of movement of electron, then thumb points direction of magnetic force. So as a result of this magnetic force, the electron experiences this force, and as a result of this force, its travel here in the path, curved path. This is the curved path. See here in this diagram, the direction between magnetic force and velocity is mutually perpendicular. As the result of this, when magnetic force is perpendicular to the direction of motion of electron, then it's provide centripetal force to electron. As a result of this centripetal force, electron moves in circular path, and this centripetal force is given by formula mv square upon r. This is a well-known formula. So one may write the Lorentz force, that is EVB, is equal to centripetal force. This is mv square by r, right? When we solve for this, for r, it is mv by EB. This is represented by question number 3. So here in this case one can say when electron enter in a magnetic field followed a circular path, this curved path is circular path. So the radius of that circle is given by this formula mb by eb, right? And this mb, we are knowing momentum of an electron pe by eb. This can be also written in this way. So one may say that the trajectory of electron, that is the path of electron in magnetic field B is circular. See, this circular is very important. Circular path and whose radius r is directly proportional to velocity by this formula, because mass, charge and magnetic field in which it is kept is constant. So variable is this. So this is all about the topic. That is trajectory of electron in magnetic field.